thanks for tuning back in. This is Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and today I'm going to continue with the installment of the truck audio system. So not the car audio system, but the truck audio system, a TAC. Sounds pretty good. No, TAS. Ooh, system. Yeah, this. I'm currently at this stage, so as you could have seen in the previous video, already did some cardboard template stuff here. Took the jump seat out. That one unfortunately is missing. One of the previous owners took it out. I still don't know why, but that's actually in my case not a bad thing, because there the subwoofer is going to be mounted. Actually, I preferred to have the subwoofer here for the weight distribution, because pretty much all the weight in this truck is on that side. It's me sitting there, it's the fuel tank on that side, then also the subwoofer. I think there's something else which is heavy on the driver's side. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. But so I already took the jump seat out. That requires 2 bolts, but in order to get this thing out, I removed some screws. I really don't like this system, but hey, what do I do? That one out, that one out, that one out, but for whatever reason this one is still stuck, and I think I already figured out what the issue is. There is a rivet here. There. Why would GM use a rivet for something that is otherwise just 90% screwed in? Yeah, when you need to get behind the seat, that this thing isn't reclining, doesn't help. So I have to wedge myself somehow in between here, over the bench, but now here. So let me see what we have. Why is it still stuck? I don't get it. It looks like it's catching on something here. But what? What can it be? Well, maybe I have to take that one out first, because apparently that holds in the seat belt. This thing is behind here, so that's not going to get loose, because that seems to be riveted in with that one. So I think GM put in this thing first and then mounted this thing. Let's try to get that one out. Yeah, this is definitely not going to plan. Really annoying. So that T50 inside the cab is royally stripped. There's just nothing left anymore. So currently I'm at this situation. So I already heated it up as much as possible with my flimsy butane burner, but it just doesn't get hot enough. Already cut a slit to see if I can attack it with a screwdriver, a proper one. That also didn't work, because actually my bit broke. So I'm actually thinking about maybe drilling the whole thing out, and yes, that sucks because it's the seat belt, but yeah, what else can I do? It's kinda fused in there. Because I really checked a couple of sources, and they do all say that this part, so this seat belt cover thing, needs to come out first before you can remove this entire section. Well, I think we've got a winner. So apparently, what is it, tenacity or perseverance or whatever pays off. So what did I do? I drilled a nice massive hole into this bolt by using, I think it was first a 6.5, then a 7, then a 7.5 millimeters, of course, proper lubrication, And now we've got a hole through and through. The situation inside, if I now put in my T50, which is barely on keeping to whatever thread is left, then hopefully you can see there is some movement, which is a good thing because that means I can remove it. Well, moment of truth. Let's see if we can take it out. Ooh, I heard it drop. That's a good thing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Are my threads still okay? Oh, I didn't murder any threads. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh yes. Woo. Okay, that means I can just put in a new one. You know what actually might have happened here? The heat from drilling actually unseized it. I'm so happy. Yes. If we rewind a bit, why did I do this again? Well, it was actually to get this panel out. And as you can see, there is one screw over there, which is holding everything in. So you have to remove the seatbelt assembly first. Then you can get access to that last screw. Then you can take this panel out, and that was the whole intention. So let me get this panel out, and then we can finally see what we're working with. Okay, screw out. Let me reposition myself, and then... Yoo-hoo! Thing is out. Okay. Again, happy. Okay, so next step is remove these bolts. I can take this assembly out, can clean that up. Then sound deaden that. I'm very happy with the way this looks, because I have seen these very crusty. Luckily this one is not crusty. There's a little bit of crustiness here, but that's nothing. I think this is actually looking very good, guys and girls. So, you know what might have happened actually? That could also be the cause of stripping of this T50. Is that a previous owner did some work here, because this piece of carpet is also underneath this bracket. So I think somewhere down the line this has been taken out once before and just put back onto the carpet. Oh, you gotta love previous owners, right? Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a struggle because it doesn't want to go. It's also a bolt which is exposed to the elements on the outside. So I think I have to also put a little bit of persuasion on this one. This is where we are at currently. So everything stripped away. Still need a little bit of cleaning. Deadening is on. Of course the whole back wall is deadened, and then this part I also took apart again. That was an easy one because the Torx was still in a good condition, so that was easy to take out. So what's next? I'll put a little bit more deadener there. So to finish that off, then I will be trying to put the amp rack in. Hopefully that will fit first time. Then I think it just stays in there and board everything up. And that will be something for another video. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.